Fred Forgione, Long Island Ducks on-field host, and this is your Ducks pregame show with Chris Saida.
You're watching Long Island Ducks pregame show with Christopher Saida.
And welcome back to Long Island Ducks pregame show. It is so exciting to be back here for another time this week. Let's get started right away. Make sure that we get everything covered because I need to get this up and then I have to run out of here and do what I need to do. Okay, last night the Ducks won 5-4 against the Blue Crabs to make the series even. And now let's go to the ballpark to get some reactions from last night's game.
Nick DeBar did a great job. He 2 strikes, kept them off balance, was aggressive, kept us in the game. We went out in front, scored some runs, so gave him a little breathing room, but he did a hell of a job.
Yeah, man, it's awesome. It's been a long time coming. I've been working real hard this whole entire season and, come up short a few times, but like I told, it's kind of a spot start type deal, and, I'm just trying to do the best I can to keep our team, in the game and give them a chance to win.
He threw a lot of strikes, getting ahead of guys, and just making them put the ball in play. Got a lot of big ground balls, and that's when he's most effective.
Yeah, one thing about DeBar is that he's always willing to take the ball. He gets his work in. He's always, whatever role I ask him to do, he's willing to do it, and he goes at it 100%. So he wanted the ball, he took the ball, and did a great job for us.
Well, just being aggressive. My sinker was working good, and, me and Castro were working real well together, and, I've been working on my mechanics, to where I can start locating both sides of the plate, so really just been right after him, with my fastball, I attacked the zone, and, showed him, some off-speed pitches kind of early in the count, but for the most part, just keeping the ball down and just letting that sinker work.
Yeah, especially the last couple of games, we haven't been scoring some runs, so it was nice to, get a couple of runs and kind of relax a little bit, and DeBar just, again, kept us in the game, did a great job.
Alright, so that was a great win last night. Nick DeBar, Josh Barfield, everyone did a great job. The team won 5-4. Okay, tonight's game starts at 7:05. Tonight's one of the biggest giveaways of the year. Usually they put this at the beginning of the year, but instead they did the championship rings instead of this giveaway, which is the replica trophy by Briarcliff College. Now, the last time we had that kind of giveaway was way back in 2005 after the Long Island Ducks won the championship that year. And that ends basically the line of championship series of the championship giveaways. First was the ring on opening day. Then you have the championship pennant pins and everything like that. And we're gonna end it off with the Briarcliff College replica trophy. And I can't wait to get that because that's actually what I've been wanting to get all year. Because I've been seeing people get them from like the 2004. I'm like, man, I really want one. So that's basically it. Some upcoming things for the channel. Videos basically every single week that the Ducks are home. Make sure that you guys tune in for every one of those videos. Make sure you subscribe and whatever. Tickets for the Long Island Ducks. The number is 631-940-3825 or liducks.com. Twitter name is Mrs. DJ100. A little bit of history about one of the previous years of Long Island Ducks 695. Jillian Reid, now a big thing on the island. Jillian Reid is a singer-songwriter. 15 years old. She's amazing, and she has songs on iTunes like "Just Another Day." Oh my God, that scared me. I can't answer right now. Something. Okay, Jillian Reid. She's amazing. Download her stuff on iTunes. I'm gonna leave a link to her website down in the description. So that's basically it for Long Island Ducks pregame show. Enjoy tonight's game. Get your tickets. Get all your stuff for the Long Island Ducks here because this is gonna be one amazing year. It's the second half. Get ready for the playoffs. We don't know if we're in yet, but we need your help and your support. So support the Ducks. Support the second half. Here we go.